So guys, let's see at the second problem of arithmetic progression where we are going to use this formula, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this formula is used when the common difference is greater than 1. So in previous problem we have saw that the options were itself telling us the solution. So now in this problem we cannot see that because this is the arithmetic progression series and these are the options. We are going to find out the sum of this arithmetic progression series up to 200 terms. Up to 200 terms. Now, like the previous sum, we cannot just see the options and go to the conclusion. We need to solve this problem by using the formula. So let's see here what series tells us. So 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 11 plus 6. Here, first of all, what we see is we find out the common difference in this series. So common difference in these numbers is 3, in this number is 2, here it's 1. So this is not a single series where common difference is changing alternately. So let's see what series can be made by making it as a two different series. So let's see the difference between these two numbers, it's 5. Then these two numbers, it's 5. Means we are getting a common difference constantly between alternate numbers. And this difference between 4 and 5 is 1. And the 5 and 6 is 1. Alternate numbers. So we are getting two different series. I will write it down here. 1, 6, 11. This is the first series, and the second is 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus so on. So we are going to divide this single series into two arithmetic series. We have got this series as 1 plus 6 plus 11 where the common difference is 5. Common difference, CD is common difference 5. And here second series common difference is 1. CD is equal to 1. So what we have to find here is the sum of the series till 200 terms, till the next 200 terms. So we are going to add this series by using this formula separately. So in the first series there will be 100 terms with common differences of 5, and this series there will be 100 terms with common difference of 1. So let's use the formula now. So n by 2, n is the total terms. For the first series n is 100. 100 into 2a. A is the first term in the series. So first term here is 1. So let's put 1 here. Plus n minus 1. N is 100. 100 minus 1 into d. For the first series d is common difference. D is common difference 5. And by 2. This is for the first series. So what we will get here is 2 1s are 250. 50 into 2 plus 99 into 5. 2 1s are 250s are 2 into 1 2. 100 minus 1 is 99 into 5. So the answer is 50 into 2 plus 495. So what we get? 50 into 497. The final answer is 497. So what we have got is that multiplication of 50 into 497 is 24,850. This is for the first series with the common difference of 5. Now let's look at the second series with common difference of 1. So here just what change will be here is, here 5 is equal, 5 will be 1, common difference will be 1. So 50 into 2 into, the first term is 4. So I have written this by using this here 50, here it was 100 by 2, it's 50. 2a is 4 plus 100 minus 1, n minus 1 means 100 minus 1, 99, and the common difference is 1. Common difference is 1. What we will get here is 50 into 107. Answer is 5350. Now we have got the sum of this series till 100 terms as 24,850, and the sum of 100 terms with common difference of 1 is this. So let's add these two numbers to get our final answer. 24,850 plus 5350. So this answer is 3,200. Thank you.